We have seen LG's transparent OLED tech before, but now we're seeing it as a real functional TV. Here it is, the LG Signature OLED T for transparent, and we're some of the first people to go hands-on with it at CES 2024. Let's go take a closer look. Well, it looks like transparent OLED's moment might finally be here. As a reminder, LG first showed off this prototype TV during CES last year, giving us one of the first real tastes of being able to see through a TV display. LG showed off this prototype during CES last year, with the idea being that the OLED T screen can go blank, letting you see whatever's behind it. Given the now you see it, now you don't nature of the LG OLED T, we originally imagined such a display being used in retail spaces, museums, or other venues when a screen needs to be unobtrusive when it's not in use. But now we're actually seeing how it can be used at home. The transparent layer lets you have a see-through effect that would look especially cool in front of a window. But then there's a contrast film that rolls up kind of like the LG rollable OLED we saw a few years ago. What's special about this TV, besides the obvious, is that LG developed a UI specifically for the OLED T that makes the apps look like they're floating in the air. The effect is pretty awesome, especially when we checked out some space and fish take animations. You could even watch a movie like this. You won't get quite the standard LG OLED picture quality, but you can raise the contrast filter anytime to get the more saturated movie watching experience you're used to from, well, an LG OLED TV. LG actually let me use the remote and try raising and lowering the contrast filter. I thought it was cool, but not as cool as actually being able to stick my hand behind the screen to truly see the transparent display in action. This really does feel like the culmination of a lot of things LG has been working on. It even has the Zero Connect box like on the M4 OLED that's coming out this year. It's obviously really important that if you're getting a TV like this to have a super clean looking, or should I say expensive looking, setup. Speaking of the setup, this shelving unit you see here might come with it. LG is still working that out. It's clear that the company doesn't want the effect to be compromised in any way. We asked about the sound. LG isn't saying yet the speaker specs, and it said that there are still some partners to be announced, but we can expect more news about the TV in the second half of 2024. We still are probably some ways off to seeing this TV land in consumers' homes, so in the meantime, let us know if you have any questions in the comment section of this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see all of our CES 2024 coverage. We're also doing lots of fun stuff on social media, if I do say so myself. Check us out at @TomsGuide, and as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.